Huh?
Who's that jackass beeping?
Is that what he said? Go forward! I just act like that happened.
Stop it, Tim. Hold on. We'll wait till they start driving away. Okay. Okay.
Picking his nose.
Okay.
He didn't even notice.
Stone cold.
People are so clueless.
What do you mean?
Listen, we'll turn around and get him again.
No, don't double weep. It's fine.
Nice! Look at these guys.
Oh no. His hands. Okay.
What? So? It's not like we're...
That's the whole idea. We want him to get mad.
Should I do...
Get ready.
It's rolling.
Rolling? Here we go.
He waved. I waved back.
Hey guys, User14 here in Skyward.
Guy.
Thanks for watching this video. This was car honking prank number 1. If you guys like this video, please like, favorite, and subscribe down below. Comment what you think for our next prank should be. The next video that I will make will probably be our haul or whatever. We got some good pranking stuff today for a video that will probably come out later today. And also, sorry for not uploading the string theory video yesterday. We had problems with we had technical difficulties with the camera. The camera we used, it recorded, but it wouldn't upload. I couldn't get it to connect with the computer. It connected to the computer, but I couldn't get to edit it. It wouldn't upload to YouTube. When I would find the video, it wouldn't work. So I'm sorry about that, but hopefully we'll get that once I read the instructions on it, because I have to read the instructions apparently because it's a new camera. I thought it would be like the normal ones that I've used, but so thanks for watching this video. Please like, favorite, comment, and subscribe to our pranking channel. Comment what we should do next for next weekend, or the next week after this next week. I don't know, but yeah, please like, favorite, subscribe, and thanks for watching.